simmering voice, and by this you can know that it is cooked. So finally it is prepared, and moment of truth. Hey, good evening. This is Jagdish, and I welcome you to the Boy of Bangalore, my YouTube channel. Today is a Saturday, and I have planned something special for my weekend. That is, I have purchased few things, which earlier I thought to do it on charcoal, but then I thought, okay. What we can do at home at the time of lockdown, if you cannot go to a restaurant or use charcoal at home, so it's better to cook on gas. So what I bought is, I'm going to prepare paneer tikka, or what do you say, tandoori paneer. I'm sorry, it is tandoori paneer, which I've named it. So, or you can say tandoori paneer kebab, whatever it is. So I'm going to prepare that. For that, I have purchased few things from DMart. So obviously it is not sponsored by DMart, but I've went ahead and I bought few things which will be requiring to prepare paneer, tandoori paneer. So I have not thought a particular name for this dish, but for now let's say it is tandoori paneer. So I'll show you what I have bought. For the first thing is, if I have to grill it on the gas, I need this stuff, which costed me how much? In DMart, it costed me 79 rupees. So it is good. I can place it on the stove and then put my grills on his. So this is one thing. The next thing is, I bought this. This is actually a brush which will be used to spread butter on the paneer. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is butter, which I liked was, I liked the garlic herbs. So I bought that one. So about that one. And then I bought some tandoori chicken masala. I saw the ingredients, nothing chicken used in it, so I just thought to use that. And then paneer. So any paneer which you get, I got Milky Mist, so I bought this half kg. And another, so that are the ingredients. So let's begin and cook. So what I'm doing is taking toothpick and dipping that in water somewhere around 15-20 minutes. I'll keep this aside. Okay, so today we are gonna prepare paneer tikki or paneer tandoori tikki, whatever it is. So first we need this basin, gram flour. We'll add to this some salt, not salt, curd. So some curd. Add salt, for salt to taste. Coriander powder. Okay. Then chili, turmeric powder, chaat masala, jeera powder. Then you add garam masala here. Get oil, Khushi. And then stop. Enough. It gently so that all the ingredients are blended well. Thank you. Okay, to this marinade we'll add paneer.
हेल्प करूं?
हाँ?
हेल्प करूं?
हाँ, कर ले।
डालूं?
हाँ। हाथ धोया नहीं ना आपने?
नहीं, वॉश कर लेंगे।
Put. We'll add capsicum. And then do this. It's better that you don't use your hands because I prefer not to use my hand, and gently you do it. We are done with the marination process and we'll keep it in the fridge. We'll keep it, close the switch for half an hour. So I'm using Amul garlic and herbs butter. You can use any butter spread for your paneer tandoori kebab. So you can use that, any of that. So I've turned on the gas and I've cleaned my non-stick pan, and I'll keep my paneer tikkas into this, because due to the lockdown I didn't purchase. I could not purchase skewers, so I'll have soaked these toothpicks in water so that it doesn't get heated up when I keep that on the when I do the tikka. Not tikka, actually tandoor on the pan. So let's start. I'll just screw in all this paneer into this paneer and onion and capsicum. So let's do it. Paneer, onion, paneer, onion. Okay. Taken butter, melted butter, and then what we will do is, show you Tushi, just apply butter onto the paneer, capsicum and onion so that they cook properly, right? You can see the simmering voice, and by this you can know that it is cooked. Change the pan, and then you change, you put this, you turn this on. Okay. Now the real magic begins. Shift this to this place and shift this to this place. Shift this one to this place. You can see the juices coming out. I think it is done. So we got to taste and let my darling please to let me know how it is cooked, how it is. So this is what it is for now, and let's go and taste and how it is. We'll let you know. So finally it is prepared, and moment of truth. निकल एक पूरा निकल के खा स्टार्ट कर. So let's taste how it is.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have this. Bhavi, आप. Let's see.
Korean.
Beautiful.